In this video, we'll be diving into Looker, a popular business intelligence tool used by companies to turn raw data into actionable insights. Looker's dashboard is known for its sleek design and ease of use, making it one of the most accessible options for professionals in various industries. The platform allows users to analyze complex data and present it in visually appealing charts and graphs. Let's talk about its features. Looker allows for customized data exploration, meaning users can build reports that suit their business needs. The integration with Google Cloud Platform is seamless, which is a huge advantage for those already using Google's suite of tools. Looker also boasts an impressive set of analytics tools, like LookML, a modeling language that lets developers and analysts manipulate data in a way that fits their company's needs. However, it's not all perfect. One downside to Looker is that it may have a steeper learning curve for new users. While the interface is user-friendly for seasoned professionals, beginners may find it hard to navigate the more advanced features without a solid understanding of data analytics. Plus, Looker can get pricey, which is something to consider if you're on a tight budget or if you're running a small business. The pricing model can also be confusing, so it's essential to get in touch with their sales team to get a custom quote that fits your needs. Another downside is the lack of out-of-the-box connectors to certain platforms. While Looker integrates well with most common data sources, if you're working with more niche databases, you might face some issues setting up connections. That said, the customer support team is fairly responsive and can help resolve most problems. One of the main strengths of Looker is its ability to create dashboards that allow for in-depth data analysis and visualization. It's perfect for businesses that need to make data-driven decisions in real time. With Looker, you can track KPIs, monitor business performance, and make data-backed decisions more efficiently. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, Looker is an excellent business intelligence tool for those looking to unlock the power of their data. While there are a few drawbacks, its benefits make it a solid choice for medium to large enterprises with the resources to make the most of its features. If you're ready to take your business's data analysis to the next level, Looker could be just what you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful. I'll be posting more detailed reviews on the best business analytics platform soon.